All right, no intro, no outro, just straight fire. So we are gonna go back on. This is gonna be like the case study review slash midweek, roll up review. So yesterday I did a case study on EU and GU. EU, I was expecting some short-term buys just due to based off of value area low being tapped into. And as you can see, had a quick short-term buy for a retracement and then went off on some sells. So if you were on some EU sells, shout out to you again. Price printed the high of the week on this Tuesday. Price did a nice little pullback, and then from there, uh, this could have right here to here, potential entry right here. Price didn't necessarily hit us into that entry, which is cool because all we had to do was wait for another pullback, and this pullback was a lot more prominent. Also had a liquidity sweep right here prior to price coming down and then pulling back. So entry, and again, you had two optimal entries. Could have entered in on this fib level, and then you could have also entered in on the blue fib level. So two potential entries. Did I take this trade? No. The trade that I got into straight up, bottom line up front, was GU. GU, I've been waiting for this sucker all week, literally all week. I posted this on my Instagram story, up 7% on GU. Was waiting for sells. Literally since the beginning of the week. Literally since the beginning of the week, have been waiting for sells. Price did not come back to my ideal sell zone, which was up here. So when I seen that Tuesday had came around and, printed that high of the week, I was like, yeah, no, price is not going to come up here. So from that point on, I just waited for a break of structure right here. Price did just that, came back, had a nice little flip, pullback. And then I missed this first entry, but what I did do is I did get in on the second wave pullback, which was right here. And as you can see, that's where I entered in at just the golden fib zone. And I was like, you know what? I'm going for previous week's low, and that's what I aim for. As you can see, GU is still going, right? It went for a good 10%. I cut at 7%, which is good for me, meaning that I am done for the week. All right. So that's that. Now let's go back to our regular trades. AU. AU, a lot of sellers momentum, and as you can see, it sold off. I don't know at which point I would have gotten into AU. Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, printed this low, which would have been my indicator of it potentially being the low of the week. But again, there's a lot of sellers momentum. So just based off of potential, could have taken this right here, gotten in, and then boom. But I like clean setups. I like for when the volume profile shows me exactly what price is going to do. So AU price close neutral, not interested. EU price close neutral, not interested, right? GU price clearly closed for sells. So this was my clear indication of, okay, price close for sells. I'm in money. I'm in good money. Like, let's get it. Let's ride it out. Another potential entry for GU. Again, price took out some sell side liquidity down here. Let me just delete this fib. Took out some sell side liquidity. So I'm expecting a pullback. Right? I'm expecting a pullback for some potential more sells. That's just what I'm looking at. Potential pullback for some more sells. But that's if I should get into a trade. I'm done trading. Light clear setups. GU print and sells. NZD USD close neutral. Don't really, again, not clean setup. I like definite setups. UCAD printed buys. Look at that. Boom. Price shot up. So if I go down to a lower time frame, kind of see at or about where would I get in on some buys. Go to Tuesday. Tuesday was right here. Tuesday was right here. All right, Tuesday printed this high. So I would like to see some type of pullback. And even with the pullback, price did not pull back to where I would want it to. So not interested. Okay, not interested. And then if I wanted to be greedy and try to get on another wave, would have got hit out. But again, no real ideal opportunity to enter in. Let me see if I go to the 15-minute, what it shows me. Oh, the 15-minute, what it would have been, what it would have looked like. Tuesday right here, 50. Yep, no, same thing. So just go back to the 30. All right, and then go back to the 4-hour. USD CHF printing buys. This right here, another clean indicator of, okay, all I'm doing now, waiting for a pullback. Price did what? Price pulled back, entered me in, off for the races. I actually got in on this trade and I closed early. Because I was overexposing my positions in the market. I had way too many trades open. And I had I think I was risking like 3% of my account. And I was like, yeah, I got to close something. I have to close something. So this, again, that's the trade for this week for UCHF. You want a tighter entry, go down to the 30-minute. And then all you're just doing is just waiting for confluence. So on the 4-hour, I just wait for the pullback, which the pullback on the 4-hour happened right here. Go down to the 30-minute, and then price pulls back. Take in mind, I have my overall fib level right here, and this is just me deleting this. Price pulls back. And then what am I doing? I'm waiting for a clean liquidity grab to the upside. Price did that. Price came back. Boom. Entered in on my fib level. Boom. Golden zone. My stop loss could have been real tight. A nice 9-pip stop loss. And then I could have still kept going for my higher time frame fib. And really keep riding that up, right? So again, that's how you trade in between the market to get the end all optimization of the trades that you are looking for, the overall bias. But again, clean setups. Look what price did. Close very bullish. Same thing with UJ. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and delete this pending order because price don't left me. UJ close bullish. Price closed bullish. Right. Perfect. What am I looking for? Price started pulling back right here where this line is. Price is pulling back where the line is. Now go down to the 30-minute. And now on the 30-minute, this is where I, again, start chopping away. Where do I want to see price taken out? Okay, there's a structure right here. That's the first structure. Price didn't take it out. Oh, crap. Sorry. Price didn't take it out. Cool. Come down some more. Where's the next structure? Cool. Right here. Price took this structure out. All right. Had a slight pullback. So from there, I draw my fib. The pullback was right here. Didn't pull back all the way to my ideal zone, which is fine with me. And then again, as you can see, price left me. But I'm not tripping. You win some, you lose some, you get in some, you don't get in some, right? So that's just how you trade in between the ranges, again, to get the optimization. Not necessarily get sniper entries, but not have 30, 40, 50 pip stop losses, all right? All right, now let's look at the other pairs, AUD CAD. Unwanted sells. Again, price didn't pull back to where I wanted it to. And that's cool. Go ahead, delete my pending order. The sell has already happened. AUD CHF. All right, a lot of sellers momentum. Again, this is not a clear break of where price closed, but sellers came into the market, took it down. AUD JPY. I am in drawdown on this pair. It's okay. It's cool. Like, stuff happens. But again, price showed bullish. Extra confirmation could have been going down to the 30-minute and doing what I do, which is waiting for a clear break of structure. Waiting for a clear break of structure. This is not a clear break of structure right here. Some people are like, oh, is this a clear break of structure? No, this is not a clear break of structure. This is a liquidity grab. Breaks of structures are right here. So I would have needed price to come right here and then reverse back, right? But price isn't doing that. AUDNZD. Price is it's doing what it's doing. It's doing what it's doing. We'll go ahead and delete that. CAD CHF. Again, price close neutral is doing what it's doing. Would like price to come down, hit this, and then continue for buys. But again, going to go ahead and delete that. And I'm deleting these pairs only because I got my lick off of GU. Really, I got my lick off of GU, so I'm deleting my pending order. There's no point. All right, this is another good example that I can use. Price close bullish for the week. All right, if I'm on the 4-hour, we got that liquidity grab right here. Got a liquidity grab. Perfect. Go down to the 30-minute. Now we are just chalking away, seeing what structure we can take out, right? This is structure that needs to be taken out. This is structure that needs to be taken out. Until one of these are taken out, I'm not looking for, you know, my bias. And what I mean by that is I will want price, take this out, reverse back, and then continue for buys. All right? It's all about structure. Trading in between ranges. That's how you make your money. All right? This is doing what it's doing. Closed very bullish again. I might have gotten a little bit early. That's cool with me because I don't mind being in drawdown. But when I go and I look at it, you know, rip it apart, what needs to be taken out? This is a structure that needs to be taken out. This is structure that needs to be taken out. This is structure that needs to be taken out. Until one of these structures are taken out, and I mean something like this again, pull back, continue on, no trade. All right, 4-hour, very bullish, very bullish. Price started flipping right here. Go to the 30-minute, and again, just waiting for structure. Structure has to be taken out, and sometimes you gotta, okay, where's structure? Okay, boom. This can be considered structure being taken out. Then you take out your fib, and this would have been a losing trade, but again, that's fine. All right, so I'm going through the rest of them. The buy already happened, so I'm deleting this pending order. GA, that hit me out, so that's cool. GCAD, CHF, the buy already took off, deleting this pending order. GJ, you know everyone loves GJ. Great British Pound NZD, the buy already happened, so I'm getting out of this. And like with pairs like this, right? Because let's say, boom, this is where the buy happened. It's been selling up until you go down to the 30-minute. Again, you're waiting for structure to be taken out. Structure's taken out right here. Structure's taken out right here. Wait for the pullback. Missed me shy and then took off. Again, it's cool. All right. Didn't hit me in. Again, it's fine. And DDCAD, it flipped right here. Go to the 30-minute. Waiting for structure to be taken out on the 30-minute. All right. So you have sell side liquidity being taken, and then you also have buy side liquidity being taken. Right. This right here, nice little pullback. Another nice little pullback. Two opportunities. Let's say you missed this opportunity. Okay, that's fine. Get in on this opportunity for sales. Okay, NZDCHF, 4-hour. Not a clear break, not a clear consensus, not interested. And then last but not least, NZD JPY. Right, buys. It got its pullback right here. Go down to the 30-minute, and I am waiting for structure to be broken. Structure. Structure. This is not structure. This is a liquidity grab. All right. So structure. Waiting for structure to be broken. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. So I dropped some more sauce on y'all. All right. How to trade in between the ranges. So again, no intro, no outro, just straight fire.